Welcome guys. Welcome to this another video. We all want success. Who does not want success? Everybody wants to become a successful person. But really we know what is a success? We know what is the definition of success? As Earl Nightingale says, success is the progressive realization of a worthy idea. Now what does it mean by this definition? Let's see. If some person knows where he wants to be and he is working to become that kind of person and working for achieving that goal, then he is a successful person. So for success, the first thing is the awareness of what we want in life. Without knowing that, we cannot achieve success. We can work like a donkey, but we cannot achieve success without knowing what actually we want in our life. If some person says, I want to become this, and he is working towards it, he start taking action to become this kind of person or start working to achieve that goal, then he is a successful person. Now let's see some example of success. Let's look around us. Let's talk about Jeff Bezos. Is he a successful person? Yes, he is a successful person because he always wanted to become a businessman and he was having a vision what he want in life, and he get it and he also working toward it. Now let's look at some small business person. Is he a successful person? Yes, he is a successful person because he always wanted to start a business, he always wanted to become a businessman, and he is doing that. Even though some person yet not achieve that much of success, but he is working toward it because they are successful. Even they have not achieved that kind of success. So we can say him as a successful person. Now let's look at the school teacher. He is a successful person? Yes, he is a successful person because he always wanted to become a teacher and he is doing it for all the life. So he is a successful person. Now look at some person working at the petrol pump, filling the petrol in vehicles. Is he a successful person? Yes, he is also a successful person because he always wanted to become doing that work that kind of work. So he is a successful person. Now for the success, there are different kind of areas. For example, if somebody is successful in finance, let's talk about Dhirubhai Ambani or maybe Mukesh Ambani. Okay, so Mukesh Ambani is a successful in finance. He is so much of wealth. But if we can look in health part, is he successful in health? Do he have the perfect health? We don't know. We can think about it. So somebody can be highly successful in finance, but he is not good in relationship. He doesn't have any good relationship with friends and family. So then again, he is successful in finance, but he is not successful in relationship because he does not know what kind of relation he wants and he is not working towards it. Then he is a failure. If somebody have some bad relationship, but he have an idea of what kind of relationship he want and he is working toward it, then he become a successful person. Now, if somebody has the finance also, relationship also, but he is not aware about spirituality. So he has everything in life, he is achieving all the things, but he is not satisfied in his life. And he does not have awareness of that spirituality part. So again, he is a failure in that part. If he knows that yes, this kind of stuff exists, then he start working towards it. So he become instantly successful because he is know where he wants to be and he is working towards it. So he is a successful person. I want to invite you for my community called Unleash You Hub. And there are some amazing kind of people who wants to do something big in their life and who wants to start business and wants to contribute to this world. And I want you to become the part of my community. There is one link below the video. Please join that community and be the part of community. And I will see you there. Thank you.